Binance offers a wide array of tools and services that are designed to help expand your cryptocurrency portfolio, and among the most popular is Launchpad. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at Binance Launchpad and how to use it, so be sure to stay tuned if you don't want to miss out on learning how to use this tool. But before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. For those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing that you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I have made videos on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you're planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, Binance Launchpad is an initial exchange offering or IEO platform that allows users to earn token rewards by supporting new projects, all of which are carefully selected and vetted by Binance. The rewards you receive depend on the total amount of crypto committed overall, and your rewards will be capped. Now, to get started with Binance Launchpad, the first step is to create a Binance account and complete the necessary verification process to access the full range of features, including Launchpad. After you've created an account, you need to fund it. To take part in token sales, you need to hold Binance Coin in your Binance account. You can buy BNB through various methods available on the platform, like bank transfers, credit/debit card purchases, or crypto deposits. After you've funded your account, navigate to the Binance Launchpad page. To do this, find the Launchpad tab on the navigation bar once you log into your Binance account. This will lead you to the main Launchpad page, which will showcase upcoming and ongoing token sales. Be sure to carefully research before choosing a project. Read their white papers, understand their technology, assess their team, and evaluate their potential. It's important to remember that informed investment decisions are crucial. Don't forget to hold BNB during the calculation period. The amount of Binance Coin you hold in your Binance account during the specified calculation period determines your participation eligibility and potential token allocation. Monitor the countdown timer on the project page to see when this holding period begins and ends. When the subscription period opens, commit a portion of your Binance Coin to purchase tokens of the project you've chosen. Be sure to understand the maximum allocation limits and carefully consider the amount you commit. After the subscription period ends, Binance calculates token allocations and the new tokens will be distributed to your spot wallet. Once the tokens are listed on the exchange, you can trade them based on your investment strategy. When getting involved with Binance Launchpad, it's important to thoroughly research each project, stay updated on Binance announcements, and understand the risks involved in early-stage crypto investments. Invest only what you can afford to lose and stick to your investment strategy. Also, avoid making decisions based on hype or fear of missing out. And that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to use my referral code when opening your Binance account to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. As I said earlier, I will leave the code in the description below. If you're yet to subscribe, be sure to do that now, because there are more tutorials on the way.